Ang Department of Justice ay inigiit na tigilan na dapat yung pag-uugnay sa issue ng politika doon sa rason ng resignation nitong si retired judge at National Bureau of Investigation Director Santiago. At itong si Justice Secretary Remulla ay nananatili pa rin daw ang tiwala sa pinuno ng National Bureau of Investigation sa kabila ng pagbibitiw nito. Yan at iba pang mga balita hatid ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Inihayag ng Department of Justice na tiwala pa rin ang kagawaran kay National Bureau of Investigation Director Jaime B. Santiago sa kabila ng pagbibitiw mula sa pwesto. Ayon kay Justice Assistant Secretary at Spokesperson Miko Clavano, pinagkakatiwalaan ni Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla ang naturang direktor at kumpiyansa pa ito sa kanyang naging pamamalakad sa kawanihan. Kaya't kanyang binigyang pagkilala ang mga naiambag nito lalo na sa pagsunod na maisakatuparan ang mga utos ng Presidente at maging ng kalihim ng Department of Justice. Maaalalang nagsumite ng kanyang irrevocable resignation si National Bureau of Investigation Director Jaime B. Santiago kamakailan upang magbitiw mula sa pwesto. Buhat nito'y ibinahagi pa ni Assistant Secretary Miko Clavano na maituturing bilang a man of principle ang nagbitiw na opisyal ng kawanihan.
The director enjoyed the trust and confidence of our dear Secretary Remulla. He was a man of principle. He was a man that executed the instructions of the President and the Secretary to the very letter. At marunong din po mag-update at mag-report. Kaya mamimiss po talaga ng department si Director Jimmy Santiago.
Ayon naman kay Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, si National Bureau of Investigation Director Jaime B. Santiago ay siyang matagal na niyang kaibigan. Aniyay, ano pa man ang mangyari o sa kabila ng mga kanyang pagbibitiw, nasa posisyon o wala man ay mananatili at ituturing pa rin niya ito bilang isang kaibigan. Habang kanyang sinabi na kawalan sa kaguran si retired Judge Jaime B. Santiago ng National Bureau of Investigation, ngunit kanyang inamin na hindi talaga maiiwasan ang ganitong pangyayari.
Wala, magkaibigan kami dati pa eh. Diba? He's been my friend ever since. He was a judge in Cavite, that's why I knew him then. Although I was not practicing anymore, I was already a congressman. So, he's been a friend for a long time. And I told him, we'll still be friends, no matter what. Well, of course, because we're friends. I think that that's the way friends should be. Without the position or relationship professionally, should still be friends. Remain friends. Malaki syempre, maganda-ganda ng flow ng lahat. Kaya lang, nangyari talaga. We cannot avoid that.
Samantala, pinabulaanan naman ni Justice Assistant Secretary Miko Clavano na mayroong koneksyon sa politika ang pagbibitiw ng naturang opisyala. Panawagan niya na huwag itong isisi sa politika at hinimok na sumentro na lamang sa hindi pagsasayang ng oras upang ipagpatuloy pa rin ang serbisyo.
Kaya siguro, medyo nalulungkot kami at nagulat ka kami doon sa pagbitiw sa pwesto ni Director Jimmy. Kaso there is really no time to waste. So this is not something na let's not blame politics, let's not blame. All we want here is for a better NBI and a more professional NBI. Kaya siguro we can just take this as a step forward na may mga nagawa na si Director Jimmy na mga magaganda. All we want to do is build on that.
Mula dito sa Department of Justice, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario. And this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Boss Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime. Anywhere.